Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you how to grade the splenomegaly. Whenever a spleen is enlarged, we have to grade it either mild, moderate or huge splenomegaly. So when you label the splenomegaly, whenever a spleen is palpable, then you have to categorize either mild splenomegaly or moderate or the massive huge splenomegaly. So according to the size, if size is less than 2 cm, we label as a mild, moderate when between 3 to 7 cm, massive huge splenomegaly when the size is more than 7 cm. Another is the Hickett classification for the splenomegaly to grade the severity. So there are grade from 0 to 5. When spleen is not palpable even on deep inspiration, we label as a grade 0. Grade 1 means spleen is palpable below costal margin, usually on deep inspiration. So here in this image you can see it is grade 1 and palpable with the deep inspiration. Grade 2, when spleen is palpable but not beyond the horizontal line, halfway between the costal margin and umbilicus. We have to draw the horizontal line between the costal margin and umbilicus, and if spleen is not crossing this line, then we will label as a grade 2. Grade 3, when spleen is palpable more than halfway to the umbilicus, almost just near to the umbilicus, and crossing this line between the costal margin and umbilicus but not crossing the line through the umbilicus. So we have to draw the horizontal line through the umbilicus, and when spleen is not crossing this second line, that means it is grade 3. Grade 4, when spleen is palpable below umbilicus but not below the horizontal line halfway between the umbilicus and the pubic symphysis. So we have to draw the three lines, three horizontal line over the abdomen, one between the costal margin and umbilicus, second at the level of umbilicus, and third one between umbilicus and pubic symphysis. So if spleen is palpable during deep inspiration, we will label as a grade 1, not palpable, grade 0. Grade 2, when spleen is easily palpable but not crossing this first line between the costal margin and umbilicus, we label as a grade 2. When spleen is beyond this line towards the umbilicus but not crossing the line at the level of umbilicus, we label as a grade 3. When this spleen crossing this second line through umbilicus but not crossing the line between the pubic symphysis and umbilicus, we label as a grade 4. And when the spleen is even crossing this line between the umbilicus and pubic symphysis, huge spleen, we label as a grade 5. So this is Hackett grading for the splenomegaly. Thank you so much.